Parsley and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our absolute favorites, roasted carrots. So simple, so easy. It'll take us about 3 minutes to put it together and put it in the oven. So the first thing you're going to need is some baby carrots, raw. And you just put them down in your pan. You don't need to spray it or anything because we're going to be adding some other ingredients and they won't stick. You'll need some kosher salt, so we're going to really generously salt these carrots. You're not going to believe how easy this is. Next thing, we're going to take some parsley. And you know, I like to use my hand to just kind of measure. You need a good healthy tablespoon or so. This is really to add color. So I'm going to sprinkle that, and I feel like I need a little bit more salt, so let me add that, because we're getting ready to get a wee bit messy. Final step is you're going to put olive oil all over these carrots. And you will want to have preheated your oven to 350. And you're going to actually put these carrots in there to roast for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. It really depends on your oven. So this is the kind of messy part. You want to roll it around so that the carrots are coated with some salt, olive oil, and parsley. It's looking pretty good. All the carrots will get shiny. That's how you know that you've done your job. And y'all, that's it. I'm going to put it in the oven and then we'll show you a picture afterwards after they're baked. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Y'all, I wish I had a fork. I forgot to grab a fork. But here are the roasted carrots. They've been in the oven for 45 minutes. Y'all know I have kind of a slow oven. So 45 minutes at 350. Only because we really like them done. These are soft, sweet, with a little hint of salt, and just a perfect accompaniment to ham or, you know, grilled chicken. They go great with steak. I mean, they're just fabulous. And I like to cook these in advance, and I just store them in the refrigerator. And I'll add them to, you know, bowls or salads, or just heat them up as a side. So there you go. That's my fast and easy roasted carrots. And if you're liking these how-tos, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel because we'll be doing some more. Thanks.